Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix iMessage activation error in iPhone. Let's get started. First open your settings and here scroll down and tap messages. Then turn iMessage off and on again. If the error still appears, go back to settings and then here click the general and select date and time and make sure to set automatically is turned on. Next, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. iMessage needs internet to activate. If it's still not working, go to the settings and select Apple ID and sign out. Then sign in again with your Apple ID. And that's it. After a few minutes, your iMessage should be activated successfully. Now your iMessage is working again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.